Chapter 1: Computer Network. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to know about computer network, learn different types of networks, identify the advantages of a computer network, warm up, circle the devices which are connected to Wi-Fi in your house. Teacher's note: elucidate student that it is impossible to go through a day without the use of communication. Both the sender and receiver require a medium to communicate. Hey friends, let us learn about computer networks. We frequently discuss our feelings, opinions and favorite thing with our friends. Similarly, two or more computers must be connected in order to share information. A computer network is made up of two or more computers that are connected to one another through various communication channels. These computers are all linked together in such a way that they can occasionally exchange data and hardware resources. The need for a computer network. An organization can benefit greatly from a computer network in a number of ways. Here are some advantages of a computer network. Saves cost. We have learned how all the computers are connected to a single network and can share a variety of hardware resources. There is no requirement to purchase several items as a result of this. For instance, a single modem can be used to link a variety of network devices to the internet, reducing data redundancy. Imagine that an organization has 100 employees and every single one of them wants to work on the same file. One approach is to keep separate copies of the same file on each computer. Data duplication or redundancy will result from this. The alternative is to connect all of the computer over a network and store a single copy of the file on a main computer, allowing the other networked computer to access the file as needed. Sharing resources. Information or data software applications and hardware components make up resources. These resources can be shared across computers that are connected through a network. For instance, a single computer with a printer attached may exist in an organization. All the other computers that are part of the network can use the network services of the same printer. Security. As more computers communicate information via a network, security becomes increasingly important. This can be done using a variety of methods, including set up a firewall system and other network protection tools that are available across many platforms. These aid in the fight against phishing and data theft. Types of networks. Computer networks can be characterized by their size as well as their purpose. There are different types of computer networks depending upon the number of devices that are connected together. The size of a network can be expressed by a geographic area they occupy and the number of computers that are a part of the network. Personal Area Network (PAN). A computer network set up just for an individual inside a compact building is known as a personal area network. This may take place in a small workplace or house. PAN generally covers a range of up to around 10 meters. A PAN would typically consist of one or more computers phone, including mobile phones, printers, video game consoles, and other personal entertainment devices. Do you know? The main role of PAN is to eliminate cables that connect devices to peripherals. Local Area Network. The local area network is confined to a limited area, such as a room, an office building, or a school or a college campus. As the area covered by LAN is limited, the data transmission speed LAN is very fast and can be easily maintained. In LAN, wires are used to physically connect the computer terminals. WLAN refers to local area networks where computers communicate wirelessly. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). A metropolitan area network consists of a computer network which covers an entire city, college campus, or small region. As compared to LAN, it covers a wider area. A MAN network's computer can be linked together using both wired and wireless communication method. ATM machine of a specific bank installed at different location in a city are an example of MAN. Wide area network. A wide area network occupies a very large area, such as an entire country or the entire world. It consists of many smaller networks such as LANs or MANs. The primary characteristic of WAN is that data transfer requires a public telecommunication medium. A very common example of WAN is the internet, wherein millions of computers are interconnected with each other. Network topologies. The organization of diverse network components in a way that makes communication simple is known as network topology. Before you start with the arrangement of network components, it's crucial to establish the logical topology, also known as the information flow between network components. Network topologies are categorized into the following basic types. Point to point. This topology is among the most widely used since it is simple to utilize. Direct communication between two network components such as PCs, routers, hubs, etc. is published using this method. Both wired and wireless technologies can be used to create a direct link. Bus topology. Bus topology, also known as line topology, is a type of network topology in which all devices in the network are connected by one central network cable or coaxial cable. The single cable where all the data is transmitted between devices is referred to as the bus backbone or trunk. There are two types of bus topologies. Linear bus topology. All devices are connected to a single cable with two endpoints. Remember it. A host on a bus network is called a station. Distributed bus topology. All devices are connected to a single cable that branches off into multiple sections, resulting in more than two endpoints. Star topology. In a star topology, the central hub acts like a server and the connecting nodes act like clients. When the central node receives data from a connecting node, it can pass the data onto other nodes in a network. A star topology is also known as a star network. Let me answer. What do you mean by star topology? In this topology, it is easy to add a new device to the network with the help of only one cable. The entire network goes down only if the central computer hub fails. Ring topology. Each computer in a ring topology is connected to the one behind it in such a way that when they are all put together, they resemble a shape of ring. When one node sends a message to the other node, which is not adjacent to it, the data travels through all the intermediate nodes until it reaches its final destination. The data in this topology has to pass through each connected computer. This makes it slower than the other topologies. Tree topology. A tree topology is a sort of structure in which each node is related to the others in a hierarchy. In a topological hierarchy, there are at least three distinct levels. Sometimes it is also called hierarchical topology, as in this topology all elements are arranged like the branches of a tree. In a tree topology, there can only be one connection between any two connected computers. For database related services or to organize the computers in a large cooperative network, the tree topology is commonly utilized. In this topology, the expansion of network is feasible and an easy task to carry out, but the maintenance of the same is often difficult. Let me answer. How is tree topology related to a tree? Mesh topology. Computers are joined randomly in a mesh network structure. Each computer in the network can transmit a signal to the other computers in this sort of topology, and each computer also assists in retransmitting data to other computers in the network. It is a topology commonly used for wireless networks. The cost is too high for maintaining this type of network. Peer-to-peer network. In the simplest term, a peer-to-peer network is a network created whenever two or more devices, usually a computer, are connected and share resources available on the web. Each computer can act both as a server and a client, as there is no central server in this network. Client-server network. Several computers called clients are connected to the main computer called the server in this network. A computer that serves client and manages access to hardware, software and other resources is known as a server. The computer that asks the server for services like data, retrieval, storage, etc. are known as clients. Kids IQ. Shivani wishes to link the electronic devices of her entire family with each other. Give Shivani and her family a network type that will work for them. Let's recall. An organization can benefit greatly from a computer network in a number of ways. Computer networks can be characterized by their size as well as their purpose. A computer network set up just for an individual inside a compact building is known as a personal area network. A wide area network occupies a very large area, such as an entire country or the entire world. A tree topology is a sort of structure in which each node is related to the others in a hierarchy. In client-server network, several computers called clients are connected to the main computer called the server. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. A single dash can be used to link a variety of network devices to the internet. Answer: modem. 2. Information or data software application and dash components make up resources. Answer: hardware. 3. Setting up firewall system aids in the fight against dash and dash. Answer: phishing and data theft. 4. Computer networks can be characterized by their dash as well as their dash. Answer: size and purposes. 5. The size of a network can be expressed by the dash area they occupy. Answer: geographic. B. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. A computer network set up just for an individual inside a compact building is known as wide area network. Answer: false. 2. PAN generally covers a range up to 10 meters. Answer: true. 3. The data transmission speed in LAN is very fast. Answer: true. 4. MAN stand for Metro Area Network. Answer: false. 5. Bus topology is also known as line topology. Answer: true. C. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is there a need for a computer network? Answer: an organization can benefit greatly from a computer network in a number of ways. Here are some advantages of a computer network. 1. Saves cost. 2. Reduces data redundancy. 3. Sharing resources. 4. Security. 2. Explain any two types of networks. Answer: local area network. The local area network is confined to a limited area, such as a room, an office building, etc. As the area covered by LAN is limited, the data transmission speed in LAN is very fast. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). A metropolitan area network consists of a computer network which covers an entire city. As compared to LAN, it covers a wider area. ATM machine of a specific bank installed at different locations in a city are an example of MAN. 3. What do you mean by network topologies? Answer: the network topology is an organization of diverse network components in a way that makes communication simple and easy. Before you start with the arrangement of network components, it's crucial to establish the logical topology, also known as the information flow between network components. 4. What is client-server architecture? Answer. In client-server network, several computers called client are connected to the main computer called the server. A computer that serves clients and manages access to hardware, software, and other resources is known as a server. The computer that asks the server for services like data retrieval, storage, etc. are known as clients. 5. Explain wide area network. WAN. Answer. Wide area network. A wide area network occupies a very large area, such as an entire country or the entire world. It consists of many smaller networks, such as LANs or MANs. The primary characteristics of WAN is that data transfer requires a public telecommunication medium. A very common example of WAN is the internet, wherein millions of computers are interconnected with each other. Critical thinking. Identify the following topologies. Answer. Ask students to do it by themselves. Team work. Prepare a presentation on types of network. Answer. Ask students to do it by themselves.